In the series of vehicles based on the URAL 4320, there are solutions not only for transportation and special operations but also for providing autonomous support for people in the field. In front of us is a mobile kitchen dining room on a chassis, URAL 432030. This vehicle is designed to organize catering where there is no stationary infrastructure. The vehicle is built on the URAL 432030 chassis with a 6x6 wheel configuration. Hooded layout. 3 drive axles and a ground clearance of 400 mm ensure confident movement off-road and in challenging climatic conditions. The vehicle is designed to operate in temperatures ranging from -50 to +50 degrees. The body is made as an insulated van using multi-layered sandwich panels. The van has a volume of 31 cubic meters, and the vehicle's payload capacity is up to 10 tons. The van is divided into functional zones for cooking and dining. This allows for the full operation of the kitchen in autonomous mode. Inside, everything necessary for preparing and serving food is provided. The kitchen is equipped with stoves, refrigerators, sinks, a water supply system, and a boiler for heating water. The presence of an autonomous diesel generator allows it to operate independently of external power sources. The mobile kitchen dining unit is used during construction work, in expeditions, at remote sites, in rotational camps, and during field operations. This configuration makes it possible to provide staff with hot meals in any conditions. The mobile kitchen dining unit based on the URAL 4320 is a practical solution for autonomous operation far from infrastructure. If you are looking for equipment for specific tasks, feel free to contact us. In the next videos, we will show other superstructures based on the URAL 4320.